Witness the precision and speed of fiber laser cutting. In this video, we showcase a powerful fiber laser cutting machine effortlessly slicing through a 0.5 mm thick stainless steel square tube at an impressive speed of 15 meters per minute. Experience the clean cuts, minimal heat-affected zones, and exceptional accuracy that make fiber laser technology the preferred choice for demanding applications. Discover how this advanced technology can revolutionize your manufacturing processes and unlock new levels of efficiency and productivity.